Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're looking at 5 financial stocks. These are mainly bank stocks that are on the move. Well, the first one we're looking at is a stock, JP Morgan Chase. Here's the symbol, JPM. It was just announced today also that Jamie Dimon, who is the head of this organization, just became a billionaire in banking. That's a pretty great accomplishment. But this is what I want to share with you. We have all of our trade triangles very positive on this stock. This is a weekly chart, candlestick chart, going back to December of 2014. And you can see it's been basically trending up since February of this year, pretty steady, but this is kind of like we're jumping ahead and moving up in the ranks. You can see we've cleared a very big hurdle right here. If I just move the trade triangles over here and get my pencil in, I'll show you what I mean by that. If you just look at this very simple resistance zone right here, we sort of cleared it right there, and then from there it's been a pretty much a steady move to the upside. So if we measure from, let's say, the 55 level, just to be very conservative, up to the 63 level, that's $8. The difference from here to here is $8. So we then just add the $8 to the 63, and that takes us up to 71. So I think that's the target zone we're looking at with this particular stock. It may actually go to 75, so let's put 75 here. So 71 to 75 is where we could see this market go, and that's the stock of JP Morgan. Let's move on. Next stop is Citigroup, and you can see we've got a very strong weekly candlestick right here, and again it's moving over a lot of resistance here, just a little bit of resistance here. The highest close looks right around 56. We're just a little bit below that. Watch this very carefully on Friday. If we close over 56, that's going to be a new high close for this stock. It's going to look awfully good going into the weekend for Monday and Tuesday for like a weekend trade. But again, you've got a lot of support under the market here. You can see this sort of like you've been building the stock, for, let's say, from this level all the way down to there, which is 47 up to 55. Again, $8. That takes it up to 63. So I think 63 to 65 would be a good target for this stock on the upside. So that's what we're looking at right now. Let's move on. Wells Fargo, this is new high close. Love this stock. We've been very bullish on this stock since about $53 on our trade triangles, and we're 56 now. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's very steady money, and I think that's the cool thing to remember. So here we are. This is the resistance level, just really kind of like a straight line. We just sort of bumped over there today. So I would think from 52 to 56, $4. So we'd be looking at $60 on this stock. Not terribly sexy, but very steady, and that's the cool thing. That's the stock of Wells Fargo, and the symbol is WFC. This is Goldman Sachs. You can see this is making new highs. This is a powerhouse of a company. All the trade triangles are positive. You can see we had a monthly right here at 195. That was in April 10th, and it's been up steadily since then. I think if we just put this on a straight level like that, you can see just a line close chart. You just have to draw a trend line really over the highs here. Kind of, this is where the resistance was, but you're sort of breaking out to the upside, and it looks as though it could go still higher than we are right now. So if you take the lows, let's say we take that at 170, and we'll take this one at let's say 195. That's $25. That takes us up to about the I'm going to say the 215 level to 220 level on this one. So that's our target zone for this particular stock, Goldman Sachs. So let's see how that plays out. Again, very strong financial sector. All the trade triangles are positive in each of the stocks I've shown you. Yes, they are a little bit overbought right here. You can see that, but doesn't mean to say we can't stay overbought for quite some time and still move higher. Our last stock is Bank of America. You can see we've had all of these powerful stocks are all trade triangles, all green. So let's take a look. This is Bank of America. You can see we just had a nice strong weekly candle. Watch this stock on Friday. If it closes up here, I think it'll be a great trade for the following weeks, but it looks as though, again, you've got that sort of base it's coming from, and it's broken out over these highs. Closes up here, it's going to look very, very good, but you've got this nice base under this level here, and this is not going to be quite so sexy, but you're looking, let's say, at 15 and a quarter, let's say, or a midpoint right there, up to where we are here, 1675, let's say. So you're only talking maybe $1 or $2 higher than where we are right now, maybe testing the highs of 18. I think that's a reasonable target zone for this stock. Not terribly sexy, but again, all of the banks are in very strong hands, and they're moving higher. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison, looking at bank stocks, looking at the financial sector. And again, thank you for using Market Club and every success with our trade triangles. You can see they work, and they work very well for you over the long run. Have a great trading day, everyone.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.